Okay guys, in today's video, I thought I'll show you how I contour my nose because I don't normally do that on camera, so I thought I'll show you guys today. I'll do one side and, you guys can see the difference. So I'm actually gonna go in with two brushes to contour my nose. Lately I've been loving these ones right here from Artis, and I'm just going in with this slender one and this more fluffy one, and those are the ones I use. So these are very professional brushes, and I love these brushes, not because they're expensive, but they're just really good quality. Like this is a small set right here, comes in a small set, and this one runs for about $2.50. But the quality of these brushes, like they just don't compare. Like I absolutely love the company. I love these brushes and I've been using them for a little while, and I thought I'll show you guys how I do my nose contour with them. I'm gonna go in with my Scott Barnes palette today, and this is the contour palette. I'm going in with this shade right here called Carve. I'm gonna go in with this little guy right here, this brush, and I'm just gonna tap in lightly to carve. I don't want terribly much on my brush, and I am tapping it off. So with this brush, we've tapped it off. I'm literally going to be following this line. I'm going to be starting here at the eyebrow and coming down and coming right to the tip. And then I'm just going to go a little bit right here. You guys can see I'm just coming down just in that curve of the line right there, and that's just going to create that shadow to make my nose not seem so big and fluffy. We don't like that. And then I'm just going to take a little bit of product. I'm going to come under the tip. I'm trying just to do the one side so you guys can see, just like that. Okay. Now this is a completely clean brush. I have nothing on it. It's been cleaned. It's completely clean. Very, very clean brush. That is the key to this. Okay, to clean off your brush, I have been using this Artis cleaning pad, which I absolutely love. So to do that, I'll literally, well, this one is clean. I'll literally take this one and I will just rub that on the cleaning pad like that. And it completely cleans your brush. It's amazing. I love this. I'm just gonna go in with this little brush right here from the Artis collection, and I'm just gonna take this clean brush and just kind of buff my nose where the contour line is in light little circular motions, and just buff it, blend out that contour. So I'm starting here at the base of my brow. And working my way down. Do you see a difference? So this side looks a lot more slender and slimming, and this side, well, it just doesn't. And this is how I contour my nose. I thought I would just share it with you guys. Let me know if you love it in the comments down below. I always try and write back to you guys. Love you guys. Don't forget, I've got a huge giveaway. So if you guys want to take part of that, all you need to do is be subscribed to the channel. Click right there. And follow me on Instagram. Click right there. Remember, if you want to see more of these amazing videos, you have to hit that like button, smash that notification bell, and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, until next time. Live, love, lip gloss. Bye guys.